Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really plunging into something big. How artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing enterprise resource planning, ERP systems. It feels like ERP is moving way beyond just being a digital filing cabinet. It's becoming this intelligent, action-driven platform.
Oh, absolutely. It's a monumental shift. Just look at the numbers. The global AI in ERP market, it was around $4.5 billion back in 2023. But get this, it's projected to surge past $46 billion by 2033.
Wow, 46 billion.
Yeah, that's an average annual growth of about 26.3%.
Yeah.
Staggering, really. And more than half of organizations, they're planning to integrate AI into their ERP systems within the next 2 years.
Okay, those figures definitely grab your attention. But, beyond the scale, what does this really mean for businesses day to day? Our goal today is to sort of unpack how AI is making companies, more agile, more efficient, turning all that raw data into actual real-time insights, smarter decisions. And like you said, it's not just automating old tasks, it's an intelligent transformation. Yeah. So, okay, let's maybe drill down into where AI is making the first big waves, starting with, say, the user experience. How is AI making ERP systems, more intuitive? Personalized?
Well, it's really democratizing access to the data. That's a key thing. It's moving away from needing an expert for every little thing. Imagine instead of clicking through endless menus, you just ask. You use natural language like, show me the monthly sales report.
Just ask it.
Yeah, these AI-powered chatbots, they're already handling maybe up to 60% of customer queries in some places. And this personalization, we're seeing it lead to about a 30% increase in user satisfaction. It's a huge leap, from expert-driven to genuinely user-driven.
Okay, that's pretty powerful. Shifting focus from navigating complexity to just getting answers. But it's not just the front-end user, right? AI is also changing things behind the scenes, like ERP maintenance, moving from reacting to problems to actually predicting them.
Precisely. That's where it gets really interesting, moving from reactive to proactive. AI uses sensor data, machine learning, all that, to anticipate equipment failures before they happen.
Before they happen.
Yeah. There was this one automotive manufacturer, they cut their equipment failure rate by 30% using AI. And overall maintenance costs, they can drop by, say, 18% or even more. And it's not just physical stuff. Think financial transactions. AI is great at anomaly detection, spotting weird patterns that might indicate fraud or compliance issues.
Yeah.
SAP's AI, for instance, it significantly boosted fraud detection accuracy for a bank.
Okay, so better user experience, predictive maintenance.
Yeah.
What does this mean for the future of building ERP systems? It sounds like humans and AI working together more, co-creation almost.
That's a great way to put it, co-creation.
Yeah.
We're seeing what's called agentic AI emerge. These are like autonomous agents. They anticipate business needs, they execute complex tasks. Microsoft Dynamics 365, for example, is rolling out agents to handle things like account reconciliation, supplier communications, all autonomously. And then you have generative AI. It's speeding up development like crazy, automating code generation, rapid prototyping. Even regular business users, not just developers, can potentially create apps or reports just using plain language, like typing create a return form with barcode scanning.
That's amazing. Turning users into creators with just a prompt. Okay, so the potential benefits are huge. You mentioned maybe a 25% cut in operating costs. But it can't all be smooth sailing. What are the main hurdles, the challenges companies face implementing this?
Right. Implementation is definitely where the rubber meets the road.
Yeah.
And there are challenges. First off, data quality. It's absolutely paramount. AI is only as good as the data you feed it. Bad data means bad automation, wrong predictions. So you need really robust data governance.
Makes sense. Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly. Second, the skills gap. This is a big one. About 60% of organizations say a lack of specialized skills, data science. Machine learning is a primary barrier. It's not just hiring. It's also about upskilling your current team,
Right, shifting focus.
Shifting focus from manual tasks to analyzing the insights AI provides. And finally, you absolutely have to address ethical AI, bias, and cybersecurity. These systems handle sensitive data, so privacy and security have to be ironclad.
So it really sounds like you need a solid foundation first. You can't just plug AI in and expect magic. It seems like AI isn't just an add-on for ERP anymore. It's becoming the core, really redefining how businesses work.
Absolutely. It is the core now, or becoming.
Yeah.
So the strategic imperatives are pretty clear if you want to leverage this. Number one, prioritize data quality. Obsess over it. Number two, embrace composable architectures. Be flexible, not rigid. Invest in your people, upskill. Reskill, establish strong AI governance, ethical frameworks, and always focus on the measurable ROI. What value is it actually delivering?
That clarity is key. It
Hmm.
really empowers organizations to, well, navigate change and stay ahead. So here's something for you listening to think about. If AI can predict and automate so much now, taking routine tasks off your plate, what new strategic heights could you reach? What innovation could you unlock? What really stood out to you from our deep dive today?